To install MetaMask extension on Kiwi Browser, you need to start by opening the Kiwi Browser on your device. Kiwi Browser is a popular browser that supports Chrome extensions, making it compatible with MetaMask. First, navigate to the Kiwi Browser settings by tapping on the three dots at the top right corner of the browser window and select Extensions from the drop-down menu. If you do not see the Extensions option, you may need to enable it in the browser settings. Next, search for MetaMask in the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing in the search bar at the top of the browser window. Select the MetaMask extension from the search results and click the Add to Browser button. After clicking the Add to Browser button, a pop-up window will appear asking for your permission to add the MetaMask extension to your browser. Review the permissions requested by the extension and click the Add Extension button to proceed. Once the MetaMask extension is installed, you will see the MetaMask icon in the top right corner of the browser window. Click on this icon to open the MetaMask wallet and start the setup process. You will be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. To create a new wallet, click on the Create a Wallet button and follow the instructions to set up your wallet. You will be asked to create a password and back up your seed phrase. Make sure to store your seed phrase in a safe and secure location. After setting up your wallet, you can use MetaMask to interact with decentralized applications and manage your digital assets. Make sure to keep your wallet and browser up to date to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. By following these steps, you can successfully install the MetaMask extension on Kiwi Browser and start exploring the world of decentralized finance and blockchain technology.